Hello traders, welcome once again. In this video, we are going to trade with support and resistance trading strategy. So first we need to identify the areas. I can see a level of support and resistance here. And it's a good level of support and resistance because from this area you saw market movement on the upward side. Even here we saw rejection. So if you can break this area, it can be a very good sign. But you can see the rejection. So despite the rejection, we are closing with the gap. So there's a space here that needs to be filled. So that's why I've done a put option again, despite the rejection. So this week shows you the sellers are eager to break this area of support and resistance. Despite them closing above the level, there are high chances that they will go more down. So let's check this other pair. So the possible next area of support and resistance is here. So we'll include both these areas. So we can cover all this area, this level, and this level. So from the same area, you can see a rejection. First, we saw a rejection despite the bullish candle. Then you see a rejection. So I need a rejection again to take a trade. So I've seen a rejection. I'll take my trade. So we have another area here. Of support and resistance that we can use. So the market has already broken that level. It is coming to this next area, so we can shift our level to that point so that we can get this area and this area. So again, the same scenario is happening here. So you can see this is a strong level of support and resistance. Here you got a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. So when it was broken, it became a support area. So this candle closed slightly above the area. That's why I did a put option on that trade. So let's wait for that candle to close. So here, this is our level. So we can wait and see the market reaction on that area. So here we lost this trade because I expected the market to move more down, but instead we got a bullish engulfing pattern. So we are having a higher probability of breaking this area of support and resistance. So we lost this trade because I expected the sellers to come and close on the level of support and resistance because we had this small distance. But instead, the buyers who were previously in the market, you can see we had a strong bias in the market, but the strong buyers were from this area of support and resistance. So the buyers entered from this level of support and resistance. So we lost this trade. So let me explain this other trade. I did a put option because our level of support and resistance was at this place. Also in this area, you can see buyer's entry, buyer's entry. So this candle had not yet closed on the level. It was still far away from the level. So that's why I did a put option on this candle after seeing a rejection. This other trade I did a put option because after the buyers reaching resistance area, first we can see the buyers got a rejection despite them closing bullish, got a rejection. The next candle was a bearish candle with another rejection from the level of support and resistance. That's why I took that opportunity and did a put option on that trade. So after the sellers failing to break this area of support and resistance, the buyers entered the market, and you can see this is a good engulfing pattern. So I anticipated the buyers will try to push more up to this next resistance area, because this is our resistance area. From this area you can see a rejection, rejection, a rejection. So that's why I did a call option on that trade. So I missed this opportunity. If you can get a higher entry point, you can take my trade, but no, this was a good opportunity because of this hammer pattern on a resistance area. So I think I'll stop trading from here. Keep watching the other videos in this channel to understand more about this strategy of support and resistance. Comment, like, and share the videos. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss my next upload. If you are interested in our training program, you can contact me directly through the Telegram link in the description below. Till next time, bye bye.